And now, let's learn how to draw a circular graph. A circular graph is also called a pie chart or a circular diagram. Let's follow this link and go to GeoGebra to see how to draw a circular graph. First of all, we have to draw a circle and a horizontal radius, and we have to move that way. Okay? We have to mark these angles here in this table as they are organized in order. So first of all, I have to mark the angle that measures 36. All what I have to do, I choose here angle with given size. I select this point and this point. I write the size I need, the measurement of the angle, and I press OK. Here is the angle 36. I join it by a segment. And here is the first central angle corresponding to the value 6 and to the frequency 2. Now, I already prepared the angles to save time. I just showed you how we draw the angle. So the first angle in the table is 36, and here is 36, and here it is joined by a segment. The other angle is 90. I have to put the protractor here on this segment, not on this segment. I have to keep moving like this way. So I put the protractor here, and I measure 90 and I join it with a segment. Again, I put the protractor here, I measure 126 and I join it with a segment. I put the protractor here, I measure 72, moving like this way, and I join it with a segment, and the final angle is ready to be 36. This is how to draw a circular pie chart. Now, if the question was to draw the frequency pie chart, all what I have to do is to distribute the values outside, okay, and inside I have to write the frequency corresponding to each value. So let's start. For example, this piece here corresponds to the value or to the score 6, and the frequency inside corresponding to this value is 2. So because the question is to draw the frequency pie chart, I write the value outside and the frequency inside. Similarly for this one, the frequency is 5 and the value is 7. Here, the highest frequency is here. It is 7. That's why you can see that it is the largest piece, because it has the highest frequency and the value is 8. Similarly for this, the frequency is 4 and the value of this frequency is 9, and finally the value here is 10, whose frequency is 2. So this is if the question was to draw the pie chart of the frequency, or the frequency pie chart. Now, if the question was to draw the percentage pie chart or the relative frequency pie chart, all what I have to do again is to spread the values outside and to write the frequency, the percentage inside, or the relative frequency inside. Again, let's start. For example, here is the value 6, whose percentage inside is 10%. Here is the value 7, whose percentage is 25%. So all what I mean to tell you is that you have to fill inside according to the required in the question.